Hello guys, welcome back to Top Home Guide. Today I am going to talk in this video about best pruning saws that you should buy. Let's do started. Top 5 Best Pruning Saws. All pruning saws have one thing in common: they all have a metal blade with cutting teeth machined into them. Beyond that one commonality, they come in all shapes and sizes, from small 6 inches folding saws that will fit in your pocket to a single blade mounted on a long pole. They all serve the same purpose: cutting through wood. That can be to remove a part of the plant in order to shape. Number 5. Ashley Folding Saw Handwood Saw Sharp Blade with Triple Cut Tooth. The sawtooth is processed on 3 sides to cut smoothly. After quenching, sawtooth becomes stronger and fast sawing. Improved handle, more comfortable. Main features: ergonomic no-slip handle, 7-inch premium blade, 65 mm quality steel. Number 4. Wisdom Life Folding Pruning Saw 7/180mm Sharp Hand Saw. The rugged handle feels grippy and made of non-slip materials. The size will work hand size from small to extra large. The rugged saw remains stable during strong pulls. Main features: ergonomic comfort handle, high strength blade, lightweight. Number 3. Compact Handheld Design 270mm Practical Portable Hand Saw. This high-quality hand saw features portable and compact. Its premium blade is tough and durable. With it, your garden and orchard pruning will be more effortless. Main features: high-quality material, widely application, safe and stable. Number 2. Ihanasaku Heavy-Duty Extra Long Blade Hand Saw for Wood. The sharp blade of the portable serration is completely folded into the handle without exposed teeth, so you can quickly fold the handsaw and throw it in a toolbox. Main features: multifunctional handsaw, high-quality materials, easy to fold. Number 1. Small Pull Saw Hand Saw IOB Double Edge for Woodworking. Dozuki Dovetail Pull Saw is widely used in garden trimming, woodworking, cutting, decoration. The handle of the hand rest is made of wooden structure. Main features: made of high-quality steel, ergonomic wood handle, widely application. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this products, check the video description.